Hello, viewers. My name is Adeshile Okeowo, and this is my final project for Economics 5 to 8, Economics for Managers. And my final project is actually to do an analysis of the economic stability of Menards using a full scale industrial analysis. I actually went down to the Menards store. It's a local store and it's located at 1179 Central Park Drive, O'Fallon, Illinois 62269. As we know from the production theory, the last step in the production process is getting products to the final consumers. The retail business has become the mechanism by which products move from the factory to the final consumer. Today, retailers are burdened with the task of making their products stand out because the retail business is home to a lot of players: the marketers, the retailers, the buyers, and an unending range of products. In view of this, the goal of this paper is to present an analysis of the economic stability of Menards by conducting a full-scale industrial analysis. Menards was founded by John Menards in 1959 at Eau Claire, Wisconsin, and today the company has 279 stores located across the Midwest and Wyoming. Menards sells a host of products including building materials, hardware, lawn and garden materials, grocery, pet grocery, personal care, seasonal products, and many more. So, this full scale industrial analysis will be structured into market structure, conduct, performance analysis, and of course, I'll do a conclusion as well as why Menards is preferred over its competitors by consumers. In terms of the market structure, Menards is in the home improvement business, and the company has actually enjoyed a considerable amount of market share since its inception. The home improvement industry is fairly concentrated, with Home Depot taking the bulk of the market share, followed by Lowe's and finally Menards. So Menard is still competing for its share of consumer patronage so that it can meet targeted sales and remain in business. In terms of technology, the company does free ship to store and customer self checkout, which are not common in the industry. For instance, maybe you found something online in maybe um, a Menard store, maybe in Wyoming, and you are, for instance, in Collinsville, Illinois, like I am right now, and they don't have it in O'Fallon branch, which is the closest one to me. I can actually order from the Menards store in Wyoming and have them ship it to the store, the closest store to me, and I can go there and pick it up for free without having to pay for shipping. The company also do a customer self checkout, which is not common in the industry. And one of the distinct features of the company is also that it uses its technology to generate automatic receipt retriever, in which a customer does not need to, have a receipt to return an item to the store, as long as the customer can actually provide the credit or the debit card that they use to pay for the products, and the technology will generate the receipts automatically. And the industry is also characterized by free entry and free exits based on capital. In terms of conduct, the conduct of Menards gives it a leverage over competitors. Its business plan is driven by a low cost policy. The company saves money by pressure treating its own lumber. In the summer, It also chops up barley and resells them as much. And in the winter, old broken barley are packed into furnaces to heat up buildings. Today, continuing with this cost saving plan, Menards has its own manufacturing division. So it actually plants trust manufacturing, steel roll, forming, and nail and as well as board packaging, according to the store manager whom I spoke with when I went over to to the store in Old Falo. So this low-cost production process helps Menard to implement its price matching policy, which allows the company to match the lowest price of an identical product in the market. Say for instance, if a customer walks into the store and says that an identical product is cheaper at the local competitor store, Menard reduces the price to match that of the competitor. So this helps the company to gain customer loyalty. Also, its frequent research and development activities yield research-oriented and Menard branded products. In terms of performance, Menard achieves profitability and financial growth through its own cash power. The company has relied on its own profit to expand and also add to its existing number of stores across the country. The cost saving or seemingly authoritarian management style saves Menard a lot of money. So both the top executives down to the least worker in the store, they all clock in. So Menard actually pays wages for real hours worked, which helps the company to reduce recurrent expenditure by choosing the same cleaning product and model for all the stores. Between 1990 and 1998, Menard doubled the number of stores, and in 2012, Menard surpassed its 7.9 billion estimated sales and became the largest private do-it-yourself chain in the nation in sales, behind only publicly traded 74.8 billion Home Depot and 50.5 billion Lowe's. Research by Industry Edge ranked Menards as the most customer-centric home improvement chain in the industry. And the yardstick used to measure this rating includes experience, customer loyalty, communications, assortment, promotions, price, and feedback, which are all defined from the customer's perspective rather than from the company's perspective. So in conclusion, it is quite obvious that Menards operates in a very competitive industry, but it has been able to remain in the business with a unique cost minimizing strategy that helps it expand the business with internal funds. So the main unique thing that makes Menards preferable to other competitors is its low cost strategy and its matching pricing principle. So, and this is actually, to me, this is an example of how a company can achieve its growth potential by using its wealth to create more wealth by operating an efficient level with minimal or no waste resources. Thank you.